Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your high-resolution image and converting the layer to a smart object so every change stays reversible. Once done, check image dimensions and pick an upscale factor, 2x for minor detail, 4x for heavy enlargement. Make sure you disable Auto Sharpen in Export. We'll control sharpening manually. You should also duplicate the smart object as a safety copy. Now apply the Super Zoom filter selected from the plugin menu and move directly to the parameter controls. We adjust. Now you tune the Super Zoom controls. Raise detail strength gradually while watching artifacts because too much creates halos. Once done, dial noise reduction to between 0, 2 and 0, 4 to preserve natural texture. Higher values soften edges. Make sure edge preservation is high enough to retain contours. The program can oversmooth otherwise. Use the preview at 100% and pan across the image. If regions need different settings, mask the smart filter and paint adjustments selectively. Finish by applying a subtle high-pass sharpening on a merged copy set to overlay. Aim for 0, 5 to 2, 0px depending on resolution. Once done, refine transitions with layer masks so original and zoomed regions blend naturally. Make sure to check final output at target size and export with preserved details off if you want consistent results. If you see ringing or weird halos, reduce detail strength and reapply mild local Gaussian blur where necessary. This usually removes art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.